Hi. This is really fun episode for me. Does it feel like I'm shouting? Does it feel like it's loud here? No, I'm actually not listening to anything. Boom. Welcome everyone to Papa Nicolau YouTube channel. I'm glad that you're here because we're gonna be talking about how we can grow on Twitch in 2019. Now, this model has actually been used by a lot of different businesses and a lot of different creators, and not only on Twitch, but on platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Reddit, everywhere. Now, all of those things that we've been hearing about in other YouTube videos is essentially how we can retain the people who've been coming to our stream, but not the way that we can get them to come to our stream. And it's all going to be about mastering your content creation and mastering the way that you're actually going to be pulling people from other platforms into the Twitch to watch your stream. Now, the funny thing is that Twitch actually promotes this kind of behavior. Twitch is the business model that has no search engine within their own platform, and they're only going to be promoting the people who have the most amount of viewers on their platform. Therefore, people who have the most viewership, like Ninja or Shroud, for example, they're going to be ranked all the way in the top. Now, they're actually using exactly the same methodology that I'm about to share with you guys, because they figured it out that what Twitch needs is outside traffic. Because Twitch is a business that needs to grow as a platform, as a social media platform. They need to raise the people who are actually using their platform to the highest standards, right? So for example, this is exactly what they've been doing since the very beginning, and exactly what Ninja specifically has been doing from the very beginning. Now, I'm not saying you're going to be famous overnight with this strategy, or you're going to become famous within a year. It's an actual long-term process. This is the process where it builds your viewer and the follower base based on what you actually put out, and based on how you can relate to those people in the long run. This is one of those brand techniques that all the major brands are using, but for whatever reason, streamers, who are also considered to be essentially businesses because you're bringing revenue from your followers, from your customers. Whenever I jump on Twitch, I scroll all the way down and take a look and take a peek of those channels who are at the very bottom and what they're doing, and they're just sleeping. They're unfortunately doing nothing to grow, and they're pretty much saying that all of it is luck, which it's not true. So if you've been in that kind of situation, hit that like button, because I've been there. I know exactly how you feel. So we're going to change that. We're going to give a specific way that you can actually grow on Twitch and not say that it's luck. It's actually a lot of smart work. Let's get to it. Now, it's all going to be about mastering your content creation. Now, I know mastering content creation is a really wide topic, but in an effort to provide you guys with much effort and value, what we're going to do, we're going to speed up the process of your learning curve and actually dive into the most important 3 things that you need to know about how to bring the people to watch your Twitch on your Twitch channel. And those 3 steps are actually going to be a part of our pyramid of content creation. Now, this pyramid of content creation has not only been used by the biggest Twitch streamers like Ninja by creating their own brand, but also by people like Gary Vaynerchuk and everybody else who you see now on social media. Now, before we get into it, you also have to remember that it's not a get easy, famous, rich, or get hundreds of viewers right away within click of a button. It just simply doesn't happen anymore. And now you just have to work hard and work smart and work in a more creative and your personal brand way in order to actually pull people from other platforms and come and watch you, because, well, you deserve it. You're special. Step number 1. Now, the first one is document pillar content. Now, document pillar content in a Twitch world is actually easier than you think, because me and you, Twitch streamers, now we stream on our usual schedule. We have fun, we have clutch wins, we have funny moments, and we have bad moments. It happens. Now, my Twitch schedule, for example, is Monday, Wednesday, Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Central Time. I'll have my Twitch link down in the description below, so jump in there whenever you're free and we'll have a nice chat. So actually, what happens after you finish the stream, Twitch saves your past broadcast in a past broadcast column. There you will not only be able to see your past broadcasts, but you also will be able to download them. Now, here's the key. This is what is called to be a pillar content. It's a long form content that you create throughout the period of time, or by documenting your Twitch gameplay, podcast, or whatever that it might be. Now what this pillar content allows us to do is actually jump into step number two. Step number two. So this step is all about taking your pillar content that you just downloaded from Twitch and repurposing it into the micro content. Now what do you mean by micro content? Well, micro content is something that you will create from the best moments, maybe the funniest, maybe when you get headshots. Either one was absolutely fine. It has to fit your specific style of the stream and your brand. Now these short-term pieces of content can be memes, can be images, can be videos, can be kind of an audio files. It can be whatever you want it to be, as long as it fits in the overall theme of your brand on the social media. Which brings us to the step number three. You have to take that micro content and distribute it across all of the social media. So for example, if you stream on Twitch and you have PUBG clips or Fortnite clips hanging around, well, what you have to do is you have to edit them. You can do some funny stuff with it. Like for example, here's the clip that I just edited and I posted on my social media. Check it out.
Hi, have a good day. Have a nice life. To the boat. Alright guys. What are you guys doing? You guys want to get on the boat or something? You're not invited. His control is really strict. Yeah, get away. You're not coming on my boat. You're not coming on my boat.
And according to my strategy, what I do with those kind of clips is I take them and I put them in the buckets of the social media. Now what I mean about the buckets of social media? Well, I have a couple of them. Here's at the top 4 social media platforms where you have to distribute your most repurposed micro content. Number 1 is going to be Instagram. Well, why Instagram? Well, Instagram has the best search engine in the entire social media platform game. One of those things is actually searchability by tags. They have a favorite page and people can just jump randomly into your Instagram page because it was one of the recommended pages when they'll favorite somebody else's. And then what you do, link of your Twitch channel in the bio of your Instagram. And whenever somebody wants to check you out on Twitch, they'll just simply click that link and jump straight into your stream and hang out with you, have fun. Now the second social media platform that I recommend you guys to master is going to be YouTube. Now why YouTube? YouTube is also a video format social media. The videos here are the only thing that actually exists in the YouTube, and that's how YouTube pretty much can relate to what's going to be happening on your stream. So whenever you have those moments, compile them into one video and just send them straight into the YouTube with appropriate tags, title, and distribute it there. Number 3 is going to be Twitter. Now Twitter is going to be primarily a text form based. You're going to be announcing your streams over there. You're going to be building more relationships in that platform and having actually conversations with other streamers, your audience. And Twitter is especially great if you have a great personality. You can just send some random tweets like, I mean, I just ate a potato and about to stream sleeping on banana. Something like that. I don't know. Whatever fits your brand. Now the last one is not actually the least one. The last one is going to be Reddit. Now the reason why Reddit is because Reddit actually incorporates all of those social media somewhat in together. Reddit actually sort of in a way revolutionized itself by making it a community-based social media platform where you have different communities. So for example, I play Rainbow Six Siege on my stream and I post a lot of clips that I have from headshots or funny moments or pretty much anything that I have going on in my stream that I feel worthy sharing with everybody else. Now after you actually posted all of that micro content out there in social media, the most important thing that you can do right now in order to communicate with your audience, your future fans and subscribers and people who will be donating you on Twitch, what you can do right now is listen. You have to listen really carefully to their comments, their reactions to your actual content, because otherwise you would not be able to grow and improve and how to actually structure your overall brand. If people see that you're really funny on camera and you're doing some crazy clips like this, then people will come to your stream because it's funny, because it's entertaining, because this is something like a comedy show or YouTube show. Or if people see that you really cool at first-person shooters and you clutch headshots and shoot through the walls and do like amazing stunts like this, that kind of audience will also jump to your stream and enjoy it with you. Those kind of specific games or specific individual characteristics of your brand that will connect with that audience. Now there's also other strategies such as collaborating on the stream, which can also give you really great results, but we're not gonna be talking about those right now. But this is definitely something that I talk about in my Discord, so if you want to join the Discord where we have a lot of streamers that you can collab with and grow, link is in the description. Now you probably heard it so many times, but I'm gonna repeat it yet again. Consistency is the key. Now consistency not with your schedule, not with your overlay, but with your brand message. It has to be exactly the same across the board. You have to have exactly the same profile image across the board. You have to have exactly the same theme. And as a result, you will win. You will grow. You will grow. Trust me. You will increase your viewer base. You'll increase your follower base by at least twice the amount in the next 3 months. Using this specific strategy will not only give you the juice that you need in your Twitch channel, but it will actually make you happy on your stream. Boom! You guys made it. This is the end of the video, and yeah, I hope you guys liked it. That's how I kind of simplified the whole process in a really short video, so that you can actually start taking those actionable steps and growing on Twitch. Congrats, you made it. So thank you for joining me on this journey. I'll see you guys in the next videos that I'm gonna be posting on this channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you will be tuned on how to grow on Twitch, not only this year but in many more years to come, and actually make it your career choice. So until then, I wish you guys all the best, stay awesome, stay excellent, and I'll give you crisp high fives.
Docs on